It's January hump time, the middle of the month. Christmas niceties finished and teams start to conflict. How do you manage this conflict so that it has a positive rather than a negative impact on your workplace? This is Daily Achiever episode 114. I'm your host Malcolm Gallagher, and today it's about managing conflict within your team, because Wednesday is Team Plus Day. Over the past few years, I've coached leaders on handling conflict in bid writing teams, restaurant teams, housekeeping teams, investment teams, and much more. Conflict has to be managed and not let to fester. Some of the signs of conflict are obvious, such as heated exchanges between colleagues, but many signs are not so obvious. People and teams are good at cutting themselves off from others so as to avoid conflict. You can often spot early signs such as productivity falls, behaviour changes, motivation falls, increase in sickness and absenteeism, and of course, dissatisfied responses in staff surveys. It's important to know what's causing the conflict, otherwise you'll end up just treating the symptoms. Some causes have been around for a long time and can include workload increase, people and personalities, new needs and expectations, historical unresolved problems, injustice and damaged values. However, here's a 4-step proven toolkit to help you get started in managing conflict. Yes, I understand. However, I think I feel. What I would like to happen is. What do you think? This has been an extract from our new Team Leader Go Kit course at bizvision.co.uk/gokits. 16 short incisive videos to download.